What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about some good old tech news. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. And of course, guys, I'm already know why you're here, so I'm not even going to say nothing. I'm going to tell you guys the awesome joke for today. And the joke is, what do you call a bear with no teeth? Come on, man. Y'all know this. Come on. See, I see you thinking about it. You call it a gummy bear. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is almost here. Seriously. There's rumors that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be releasing sometime in June or July, which would be a great birthday gift for me, considering my birthday is in July. There's tons of leaks still suggesting on this early release, so keep your fingers crossed like me. If it's true, the phone will arrive 2 or 3 months earlier than the last 2 generations. On a side note, this may be a revelation to the release of the Note 21. Remember last year, a lot of people were saying the Note 20 Ultra would be the last Note to be released, which would have been bad considering the phone was not impressive at all. Only time will tell. Before we get started, please guys, like this video. That would tremendously help the channel. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for more amazing content. If you're a fan of affordable phones, let me know in the comments below. Now that we got that out the way, we're gonna be talking about some really cool stuff. There was a recent report on Sam Mobile sharing some details what they believe the specs of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will house, and they gave a model number SMF926. Google it and you'll see the information. Sam Mobile states the phone will ship with UI 3.5, in other words, Android 11. However, the device will be updated to Android 12 and UI 4 as soon as the software is ready for release. So you hardcore tech heads, you have to wait just a little longer. They also confirmed that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to come with at least 256 gigs of internal storage in one variant, and another variant will have 512 gigs of storage. There's no surprise Samsung is coming up with one or more of the same variant, so that's no surprise. Ice Universe tweeted, which could suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be the first phone to feature an AMD GPU thanks to Samsung's partnership with AMD. Depending on when this phone is released, it's a possibility this new processor will be featured in this phone. In other words, your phone will be running even faster and smoother. Now let's talk about the super cool news. People have been waiting, and I've been waiting for this feature too. And I'm excited to hear about this feature on the Z Fold 3. I'm talking about the in-display selfie camera, and the wait may be finally over. Ice Universe is a very credible source for leaks, and he's usually on point with leaks and rumors. He put out a recent tweet stating Galaxy Z Fold 3 is still very likely to adopt UPC. UPC stands for Under Panel Camera. If you forgot, Professor Ted will refresh all of your memories. You, get off the couch. I see you drinking Mountain Dew and eating Doritos. The under panel camera is hidden to the eye until you are ready to take a picture. Then the selfie camera will appear once you're ready to take a picture. This is only possible with a smaller display under the main display. It works like magic. Now get out with my face. This will make sense to have this feature in Samsung's most premium model. If this comes true, the Z Fold 3 will be a super beast. Think about it. The S Pen support, in-display selfie camera, and the newest AMD processor. Since we are talking about the S Pen support, it is confirmed that the Z Fold 3 will be compatible. It's said that Samsung has a thicker but thinner layer of folding glass that will allow the pressure from the S Pen to work. There's no information if the Fold 3 will have a slot for the S Pen, but if that's the case, then it's a possibility it could have a smaller battery because the S Pen slot takes up space inside the phone and the internals of the phone is already jam-packed. But if it doesn't come with an S Pen slot, then it may be like the S21 Ultra situation where it will be an inconvenience to have an S Pen with nowhere to put it. In my opinion, this phone will probably be one of the best phones in 2021. Alright guys, thanks for checking me out. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bubble over here. And you want to watch some more really cool content, click on one of these videos over here. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.